The Custom Keto Diet is a personalized way of eating that focuses on low-carb, high-fat foods. It has gained popularity for its ability to help people lose weight and improve their overall health. The diet is tailored to meet an individual's specific needs and preferences, taking into account factors such as age, weight, activity level, and food preferences. By limiting carbohydrate intake, the body is forced to burn fat for fuel, leading to weight loss. Additionally, the diet has been shown to improve blood sugar control, reduce inflammation, and boost mental clarity and energy levels. Many people also report feeling less hungry and more satisfied on the Custom Keto Diet, making it easier to stick to long-term. Overall, the Custom Keto Diet offers a wide range of benefits, from weight loss to improved well-being. It provides a flexible and sustainable approach to eating that can be adapted to suit each individual's needs.